Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshijan. Today's Viva topic is pediatric pharmacovigilance. Pediatric pharmacovigilance is the science and activity involved in the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any drug-related problems in children in a critical aspect of pediatric healthcare, given the unique physiological characteristics and the developmental considerations of children which can influence drug metabolisms and responses. There are overview of pediatric pharmacovigilance. First is importance of pediatric pharmacovigilance, then physiological differences. Children are not just small adults. Their bodies process drug differently due to variations in the absorption, distributions, metabolisms, and excretion. Their developmental considerations, different stages of development, neonates, infants, children, and adolescents require different dosing and formulations, increasing the complexity of monitoring drug safety. Then off-label use. Many drugs are used off-label in pediatric populations due to the lack of specific pediatric trials necessitating vigilant monitoring for adverse drug reactions. Then regulatory framework and guidelines. International guidelines. The International Council of Harmonizations E11 guidelines provide guidelines on pediatric drug development, and the World Health Organization WHO has guidelines on safety monitoring in pediatric populations. National regulations. Various countries have their own regulations and the systems for pharmacovigilance, such as the FDA in the United States, the EMA in the Europe, and the similar bodies globally, which requires reporting of ADR in children. Then adverse drug reactions in pediatrics. Types of adverse ADR. Common ADR in children include allergic reactions, gastrointestinal tissues, central nervous systems effects. Serves ADR can include growth retardations, developmental delays, and open organ toxicity. Then identifications and reporting. Healthcare providers, parents, and caregivers play curricular role in identifying and reporting ADR. Systems like MedWatch, Ultravigilance, Vigibase facilitate reporting and monitoring. Then fourth is challenging in pediatric pharmacovigilance. Underreporting ADR are often underreported in children due to lack of awareness, difficulties in communications in every young children, and sometimes healthcare providers uncertainly. Then fifth point is data limitations. Limited clinical trials data specific to pediatric populations can hinder the identifications of rare or long-term ADR. Then formulations and dosing issue. Inappropriate formulation and dosing errors common in children, leading to ADR that need specific vigilance. Then strategies of effectiveness pediatric pharmacovigilance. Then enhanced reporting systems. Developing user-friendly and accessible reporting systems to encourage more frequent and delayed reporting of ADR in children. Then educations and training. Providing education and training for healthcare providers, parents, and caregivers girls on recognizing and reporting ADR. Then active surveillance program. Implementing active surveillance program and post-marketing study, especially targeting pediatric populations to gather more data. Then electronic health record. Utilizing EHRS to systematically capture and analyze data on drug use and ADR in children, facilitating early detection of the safety signals. Then sixth is pharmacogenesis and personalized medicines. In genetic variability, understanding genetic difference in drug metabolisms can help pediatric ADR and tailor treatment of individual pediatric patients, improving safety and efficacy. Then research and development, encouraging research into pediatric pharmacogenesis to inform safer drug development and personalized treatment strategies. Thank you.